Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple's latest updates, iOS 18.6, iPadOS 18.6, and macOS Sequoia 15.6 patch a critical geo-day vulnerability that impacted Chrome users, as reported by Blipping Computer. The flaw existed in open source code used by both Google and Apple, allowing remote attackers to potentially execute arbitrary code through specially crafted HTML pages, bypassing Chrome's sandbox protections. It's worth highlighting that Google addressed the issue on July 15 and confirmed it was already being actively exploited. While Apple noted that the bug could lead to unexpected crashes in Safari, it has not been linked to any known attacks targeting Safari users. Google has not disclosed full technical details, delaying release until most users have updated. Chrome users are urged to update immediately. This incident highlights the growing risk of shared open source vulnerabilities and the importance of timely software updates as attackers continue to exploit cross-platform code bases. Users and developers alike must remain pretty vigilant. It also raises questions about the long-term reliability of browser sandboxing as a sole layer of defense in modern web security.